and I'm going down through here. Oh, first of all, let me go down through here. And I ordered this from Amazon, and I am an Amazon Prime member, so that helped a lot, guys, with the shipping. Inside of the box are these two goodies right here. I'll set that out of the way. Now, one of the things that I'm really excited about is this TackStar SGC-598 microphone. Like I said, it is a generic microphone, but I've done my research, and this one right here is almost as good as a Rode microphone. And wait for it. Okay, here is the best thing about it. Rode microphone costs like $279. This right here, $25 with free shipping. You cannot beat that. So we're gonna look inside the box. And inside the box, it has a little kind of like bag that I guess you can put your microphone in if you're not using it. It says TackStar. Okay, you got that. Got instruction manual, little foam pieces to protect the microphone for when you get it. And here is the microphone itself. But on these are little adapters right here. But here is the microphone itself. Pretty cool, huh? And it's going to be going like on this side with the bar mount. Now I call this like a bar mount. Some people call it an L-shaped bracket, but I will give you the link in the description box. But it screws onto the bottom of the camera that doesn't have a hot or cold shoe mount. And this thing just opens up. It was $8. So, you know, you can't beat that. And it gives you a solution to mount different accessories to your camera. You know, this one has two mounts. And what I'm going to do is I'm definitely going to mount the microphone. And later on, I may buy LED lights to go on the side. And the microphone is going to go on top. But see, here it is. This mounts to the bottom of the camera. And then this mounts to the microphone. And both of these together cost $32 shipped and only took 2 days with Amazon Prime. So guys, I'm definitely recommending these two items, and I will put it in the link, or the links to these in the description box below. This has been the unboxing video, and I will update you on the quality of these when I hook these up. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell. As always, have a good day.